Now, 2 weeks ago, the Mayor was in Northern Ireland visiting a factory building London buses. Today, it was Yorkshire, where 94 new Piccadilly line trains are being built. The aim? To highlight how investment in London benefits the wider UK economy and therefore the importance of the longer-term funding for TfL. Here's our transport correspondent, Tom Edwards.
Welcome to Goole in East Yorkshire and a first glimpse of the new Piccadilly line trains.
That's what I like to hear, that's what I like to hear. Hey, I'm a fair payer. So.
The Mayor on a mission to show that money spent by Transport for London spreads across the country. Are the government listening?
Well, they need to be, because the current short-term deal, the 5th or 6th, ends in June. We need a long-term deal because we need to order further trains on the Piccadilly line. We need to order those deep line tube trains.
Hello, I'm
Charlie. Nice
Charlie, good to see you. Millie, good to see you.
Millie is one of the engineering apprentices.
Obviously it's a massive thing and it's bringing a lot of money into here, into Goole, and a lot of people to Goole, so it's obviously going to help the town out, and obviously the town's sort of a bit empty at the moment, so I think with it bringing people in for work it'll bring more to the full town.
These new Piccadilly line trains are the greenest on the whole of the TfL fleet, 20% more efficient, and they feel slightly more spacious. They've made these door areas slightly wider, LED lighting, there's also air conditioning. Recently, the Mayor visited a bus factory in Northern Ireland, again trying to emphasise how TfL spending creates jobs elsewhere. The point the Mayor's trying to make is if you spend money in TfL, then it spreads right across the country. This is the new cab for the Piccadilly line trains. The funding is in place for these, but the next generation of Bakerloo line, Central line, Waterloo and City line trains are all dependent now on further funding from government. TfL's current funding runs out in July. The government has said it's committed to funding transport in the capital. But at the moment, by how much is unclear. Tom Edwards, BBC London.